good morning. This is Raj Verma with you, and welcome to you to my new channel. This is my new channel for you, and the channel's name is Knowledge Station. Knowledge Station. And this channel I have specially prepared for my students. Yes, this channel is all for all of the students like you. Here you can find all the solutions for any kinds of mathematical problems you have. You will find the solution. Okay? So I request you, all students, please subscribe it, share it with your friends, maximum number of students. You know why? Because majority of students, the problem is they feel like trigonometry is very difficult. But no, trigonometry is very easy. You just need to know the tricks, the techniques, how to memorize the formulas, how to make the formulas in your own way, by your own way. Alright? So please share this video to maximum number of students as far as possible. And please watch the video until the end of the video, because here today I'm going to teach you how to make the formulas and how to use those formulas to solve the problems. Alright? So here we'll start. Our first topic is going to be, today I'm going to discuss with trigonometry. Yeah? Alright, let's say friends, this is the building. Let's say a tower, alright? And you are here. This is the roads, and you are just on opposite sides of the tower. Now, if I ask you the question, can you measure the height of the tower? Can you tell me what is the height of the tower without measuring? What will be your answer? Seems like a bit difficult, right? No. It's not difficult, it's very simple. It's just based upon the concept of trigonometry. The concept of right angle triangles, that is called height and distance. Well, I'll come to these points later, but before that, you have to understand what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is composed of three different terms: trigonometry. So tri means three, gono means sides, metry means measurements. So here you can see trigonometry is totally based upon the triangle. Okay? It's based upon the measurements of different sides and angles of triangle. And more precisely, I have to say, the entire trigonometry is based upon the right angle triangle. Yes, right angle triangle. So I guess all of you know right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle, dear students? Look here. A, B, C. Okay. I've taken here one right angle triangle. As you all know, right angle triangle means a triangle having one right angle. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. Now the entire trigonometry is based upon the right angle triangle. Just you have to understand the basic properties of it. Well, let's say I'm going to take this angle as a reference angle. Since none of the angles are given, let's take theta. Suppose theta. You know theta? Theta is a Greek letter. Okay? And if we don't know the values of angle, we just use this term to represent that angle. Alright. Let's suppose this is theta. And which one will be the perpendicular? The side opposite to this. So this one is called perpendicular. Perpendicular. Alright? Always see the side opposite of that angle. That is right angle. That is perpendicular. And the side adjacent to the angle means the side on which the angle lies. Okay? Angle lies. That is called base. Base. And it's very simple. The side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. So this is H, hypotenuse, this is P, and this is B. So it's very simple, as you can see over here. Same thing you have been learning from grade 6, 7 onwards. Alright, now, based on these informations, we're going to make numbers of formulas. Okay, number of formulas. And these all formulas are for trigonometry. Okay, but before this, I have to tell you, always remember one sentence. Some people have curly brown hair. This sentence will help you a lot to memorize the formula. Alright? Like here, what does it mean? There are some ratios. Like based upon PBS, there are some ratios called sine theta. Sine. When you divide this perpendicular on the opposite side by hypotenuse, that is called sine. Alright? Likewise, when you divide base by hypotenuse, that is called cos theta, and perpendicular by base, that is tan theta. That is tan theta. Alright? Perpendicular by base. And this its opposite. You can see here, opposite of sine is called cosec theta, and that is s by p. If you take its opposite, that is sec theta, s by b. And if you take its opposite, that is cot theta, b by b. Alright? So this is how the basic concepts. What is sine, what is cos, what is tan, these are some basic ideas we use. So this how does this sentence going work here? See, some people have sine perpendicular by hypotenuse. It's very clear. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Curly brown hair. Let's add here one more thing. Turn permanently black. Turn permanently black. Okay. So some people have sine p by s. Curly brown hair, cos b by s. Turn permanently black. Turn permanently black. Tan theta equals to p by b. So if you remember this sentence, okay, you are going to remember all these ratios. Okay, you are going to remember all these ratios. All right. So I hope you got the ideas. Once again, don't forget, some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. That means sin theta p by s, cos theta p by s, tan theta p by b. Then again, if you reverse this, s by p, that is cosec theta. If you reverse this, s by p, that is sec theta. If you reverse this, b by p, that is cot theta. Alright? So keep it in mind. And one more thing I have to tell you is, in a right angle triangle, always this relation works. X square equals to p square plus b square, and that is called Pythagoras. Pythagoras formula. So if you know these things, then you can derive all the formulas by yourself. Alright? So now we're going to see how we make these formulas. Okay, I'll give you one simple technique. Okay, a trick. Let's call it a trick, by which you can make all the formulas by yourself. See, it's very simple. What you're going to do is, just draw here one hexagon. Yeah? Hexagon. Okay. You know hexagon, right? There are 6 sides. Once again, see. Hexagon. This is hexagon. Okay. Here are 6 sides, and let's join the opposite ends and draw the diagonals. Okay. Now, what you can do is just put your sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta. Alright. Now, this hexagon is the base of entire formulas. It gives you all the formulas just from this simple hexagon. Let's see how. First thing, let's go in cyclic order. Okay? Look here. Suppose, take the relation between 3 terms. Tan, sin, cos. So tan means sin by cos. Sine means cos by cot. Cos means cot by sec. All this formula you can make by yourself. Clockwise. First take clockwise direction. So how are you going to make? How will you make tan theta? Tan theta equals to sine by cos. Sine theta by cos theta. Again, sine theta. Sine theta means this first one divided by second one. Cos theta by cos theta. Again, cos theta. Cos theta equals to, see it's opposite to, so cot by cosec. Cot theta by cosec theta. Cos. Again, if you want to make cot theta, it's very simple. Cosec theta by sec theta. Likewise, if you want to make, if you want to find cosec theta equals to sec theta by cot tan theta. Sec theta by tan theta. So this is how you make the formulas. Very simple. So this formulas you got just when you follow the clockwise direction. You can even go anti-clockwise direction. See how? Anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Now it's very simple. I'll just rub this and go this way. See, it's very simple. Okay. How do you find this way? This way. Alright? So let's say you have to find tan theta. Tan theta. Sec theta by cosec theta. It's a formula. Again, if you want to find sec theta, then cosec by cot. Cosec by cot. So this is how you can make all these formulas. If you want to find cot theta, then cos by sine. So this is a special trick. This is how you're going to make all these formulas. And you can even prove also. See, I'll show you how to prove. For example, how this works, how it works. Look here. Take right hand side. Sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta means P by H upon B by H. So P by H and this becomes ratio to H by B. H is cancelled. P by B and that is tan theta. See how we prove this. Right? So this is how you can make many formulas. So I have made here around 6 plus 6 shorter formulas. Now I'm going to make some more formulas. You just keep on watching. Okay? I hope you understood this. Alright. Now see here. Let's put one over here. The points of intersection of the diagonals. Now it becomes very simple. See how? Just see the opposite ends of diagonals. When you multiply them, then you will get the center one. So, case 3, type 3 you can say. Type 3. Yeah. Just multiply them. Cos theta into sec theta equals to center is 1. Likewise, opposite. Tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Likewise, sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. So this is how we made next three formulas. You can see even proof also here. So very simple. See, sin cos theta into sec theta. How does it work? B by H into H by B. This cancel, this cancel. Yes, simple. So this is how we made another 6 formulas, 3 formulas. And from here, even if you want, you can find the value of cos theta, and that is 1 by sec theta. From here, tan theta equals to 1 by cos theta, like that. Okay. Okay. So these are next 3 formulas. Now I'm gonna hope you understood this. Okay. Now I'm gonna make some more formulas from here. You just keep on watching. It's very simple. But the main thing is, until and unless you do practice by yourself. Okay, I'm telling you again, do practice by yourself, then only you will understand. Alright? Once you keep doing practice, it's very simple. Alright. Now see some other tricks. You go this way. This way. Clockwise direction. Right? Okay. Now this is clockwise direction. See how we are going to get some more formulas. Now this works for the squares. Let's say next type 4 you can say type 4. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta. Starting from this point, sine theta plus cos square equals to 1. Equals to 1. It's simple, right? See this arrow, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Likewise here, tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta. And wait, before that, from here itself you can find the value of sine theta, 1 minus cos square theta. And if you want to find sine theta, root under 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Again here, 1 tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta. It's very simple, just follow this. Tan square theta plus 1, sec square theta. And here also, 1 plus cos square theta equals to sec square theta. See, we get number of formulas. It's very simple. You just need to know how to operate. The trick, the idea behind this. Right? And here itself, if you follow the anti-clockwise direction, let's say this way, what happens? Anti-clockwise means negative, right? In this case, if we are taking clockwise positive, then anti-clockwise will be negative. As simple as that. So, okay. So we say anti-clockwise. Okay. So if you are taking clockwise positive, then obviously anti-clockwise will be negative. So here, as I told you, you can see go this way. Okay, start from this. And in anti-clockwise, if you go anti-clockwise, you have to take negative. So sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square. See, the same you can get from here. If you take this one that side, sec square theta minus 1. Yeah. Likewise, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. This. And here also 1 minus cos square equals to sin square. It's very simple. Trigonometric formulas are very, very simple. You just need to have that idea, just that idea, the trick, how to use it, how to prove it by yourself. You don't need to mock up, you don't need to memorize, from morning to afternoon, night, you just keep on reading, and still you get confused. Don't do like that. You just draw this diagram and just start practicing how I did. Right? So this is how we derive all the possible formulas, the basic formulas of trigonometry. And you can even prove these formulas also. I'll show you how to prove it. Okay? Now you can see over here. Let's say the first one, like sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. How to prove it? It's very simple. Just take left hand side. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? And as we discussed before, here sin means p by h. So p by h whole square plus cos b by h whole square, and that is p square by h square plus p square by h square plus b square by h square. Just take LCM, h square, so it becomes p square plus b square. And as I told you, Pythagoras formula. What is Pythagoras formula? H square equals to p square plus b square. So in place of this, you can write h square by h square, since p square plus b square equals to h square, and this cancels. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is how you prove the formula. Okay? And I told you, if you have confusion like what all are the formulas and how to memorize all those formulas, it's very simple. Just draw this hexagon, write the ratio as I have mentioned over here, like sine, cos, tan its opposite cos, sec and sine its opposite cos sec its opposite cos, and tan its opposite cot. Alright? So this is how you just write ratios over here, the functions over here, and just remember this diagram. And as I told you how to make all those formulas, you just try yourself. Once you try doing this, I'm damn sure any formula you can easily memorize. Alright, so in today's class we discussed how to make all these trigonometric formulas. Alright, I hope you like this video. You just try to share. If you like this, definitely I just expect one thing from you. Please share it maximum. Because there are maximum number of students who feel that trigonometry is really very difficult. No, it's very easy. Just share this to the maximum number of your friends. Alright? So that's all for today. I'll stop over here. And in next video, I'll come with many trigonometric questions, how identities, how to prove them. Alright? And in next video, I'll be teaching you the different techniques of trigonometry. Alright? So keep watching. Okay? And if you are really a good student, if you are really interested in learning trigonometry, then don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Till then, keep enjoying. Keep watching the channel. Take care. Thank you.